Calibrate the multimeter. Aywa, the other one. Wait, I cannot see. The other. You can take another in the other side. Okay, that's good. In the other side, no? The ground also. The other side, okay. The ground. We have check. You can make like so that I can see the picture. Okay, kalas. Okay now, and then put tape that one. Put tape now this one.
This now?
Ay, that one. No tape. Put that one. Let him not to remove, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, kalas. Not remove. Okay. And then the other one, this one, remove from here because there is something wrong here. You try to. Okay, you try. You take that one and in the plug. Take in the plug. No more. You can calibrate the multimeter. Okay, check. No more, sir. Another side, in the other side. Okay. There is something wrong from here. So there is the problem from here. Remove that one. Nung binuksan na guys, yun yung nakita ko guys. So naka-open ang contact niya. Dapat naka-close yan. Yung tinry kong i-close ang contact niya, nakakaroon ng reading yung return wire. Kung makikita natin sa multimeter, mayroon isang reading. Yun ang problema doon, nag-open contact siya kasi nabali yung lock. Kaya ganun ko mag-troubleshoot guys. Yan kasi ang problema niya doon. So ang gagawin ko yan, i-direct ko na lang.